Hello, my name is Roberto and I'm from Miami. And this summer, I have been researching about the different Sustainable Development Goals set forth by the UN as part of my research internship with ONX. One of the goals that I found particularly interesting and passionate about is goal number 2, which is zero hunger. And the reason I felt so passionate about it is because how deeply interwoven you see it is with all the other goals. And also, when you compare the amount of food produced and the amount of food waste that there is globally versus the global population, you can see that we already have enough food to feed everyone. It's just a matter of distribution. And this shows that it's a very solvable problem when you look at it on a grand scale. Um, so, what exactly is well, 663 million people globally are considered malnourished, and this may mean that they don't receive enough food, vitamins, or minerals. And this eventually can cause a lot of health problems, which may be being not growing enough, growing too tall, but not having enough food to support your body, um, and even if left untreated, eventually death. And so you may be asking, well, what difference can be made? Um, a study has shown that in Milwaukee, the University of Milwaukee was actually able to grow their own micro gardens, which produce about 500 to 1,000 pounds of food, and as a result, was able to feed 200 students a month, which is a lot. And locally, to myself, I have Enriched Foods Miami, which goes back to food waste and tries to avoid that by repurposing the food that would be thrown away and to help feed those who need it. And it has actually been able to serve 909 meals and 2,425 cups. So now, you may be wondering, what can you do specifically? Um, well, you can follow the same steps of the Milwaukee Food Garden, which they have information posted on their website, and you can reach out to your community and ask if you can have a space to plant your own garden and to be able to feed people in your community. And well, for the Enriched Foods Miami, here personally, you can volunteer. And if you don't feel comfortable, or if maybe you don't have the time, you can always donate. And these types of organizations tend to be available for a lot of different areas around the US and even in other countries. You can go to your local shelter and they accept volunteers. Um, so I want to end the video reminding you that this is a global issue and that we can all make a difference by affecting our community and allowing the change to spread. What you do today may affect what other people do tomorrow. And like that, we start a chain reaction for change.